Hey everyone, this is David here from SheetsFinance. In this video, we're going to talk about getting oriented and writing your first functions. So now that we have SheetsFinance installed, it'll be available from the extensions drop-down menu. It's always best to check, so we'll click up here and we'll see SheetsFinance. This submenu is where you access a lot of the features, and we'll come back to that in future videos. For now, we're going to work on writing our first function for getting real-time pricing, maybe real-time volume, and a few others. The next very important part that I like to stress for people is that so much of this is available in our documentation. So please head to our website, click documentation either here or up here, and make your way to this page so you can sift through all the information that we've got available online. By selecting the particular function that you're after on the left-hand side, you can get a very detailed breakdown of exactly how to write the function, and also you can get a bunch of great examples and how-tos. So for today, we're going to be looking at real-time. So if I click that, you'll see this is a very detailed breakdown on how to write real-time functions. So following the documentation, let's just say we're after the real-time price. So if I head to that first example, I can see current price, and I can see there's two ways to write it. Both of them use this inbuilt SF function. So now that you've got SheetsFinance installed, you now have this function at your disposal. So I'm going to head back to the spreadsheet. I'm going to go equals SF. I'm going to do a bracket, and then I'm going to type in the ticket code that I'm after, for instance, Apple. For real-time pricing, we don't need to write in any other options because the default return of the SF function is to give the current price, like so. Clicking enter, SheetsFinance will load in the second accurate real-time price from the US stock market. Now, perhaps we want to get other real-time information such as volume. So this time around, we again type in the ticket code. We now type in real-time to specify that we're after real-time data, and then we type in volume. And there you have it. You're going to have the real-time volume for Apple. Now, these functions are quite straightforward to use, but I can understand that when you're just getting used to a new piece of software, they can seem a little bit daunting. So we've built the function generator. So if you head to the extensions drop-down menu and then you head to the function generator, it'll open as a sidebar on the right-hand side. From there, you can build any of our functions, and not only build them, but you can get to know them by looking at them in real time in the top function display. And I'll show exactly what I'm talking about. If I now type in Apple again, you'll see it starts to appear at the top. I can then go to real-time and historical data, and then select the data type, for instance, real-time. And you'll see at the top, it's building that function for us. I can then search within these subtypes or metrics what I'm after. For instance, I might be after the dayHigh. And there it is. So if I select that, I can then generate that function without having to type anything in the spreadsheet itself. And that will get generated in my currently highlighted cell. So in this scenario, that's A2. So if I click generate, we'll see this function that we've just built with the function generator appear on the left. And this applies for all of our functions, and we won't go into it in this video, but we're going to come back to it in more detail. For instance, time series or other parts of our SF function, such as ratios, income statements, so much more. So that's it for this video. Good luck getting started, and I'll see you next time.